PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Look to the side, okay? Is it the inner bottom pushing towards the chest? Inner middle or pushing towards the chest? Do you understand? Then, do you see any changes in the racket angle? It's to cover different striking areas. In this way, a little. Is it easier to find the inner bottom? Let me stand up a bit more. Is it easier to find the inner middle? So why can I do it so easily? The premise is to relax. Many people watching my video always mention Chen. I learned to relax from you. Learn to relax first. Learning to relax is the starting point. If you can't even start from zero, you won't be able to achieve anything later. Right, first learn to relax. This is called a fast long ball. Long ball is served using this method. Who serves the best? Ma Long is a bit heavy. His specialty is not spin. What is his specialty? A bit heavy and a bit fast. Both fast and heavy. When he pushes, he has this feeling of pushing against you. This doesn't have much spin. It's just slightly heavy but fast. It's shoveled out. So should I still put pressure on it towards my body? If I don't put pressure on my body, it's pushed out, right? This is a pushed out ball, but this is not a side spin ball, right? So if I want to serve with side underspin or side top spin, I definitely need to put pressure on it there. While pointing with your left, my left shoulder is pushing inward. And you pointed your left foot, but your whole body leaned back. But when you lean back, isn't it a passive shot? While I push, it adds power and coordination. I am pushing, including serving short balls. I am still pushing inward, you see. You are leaning back. I am pushing inward. Oh, right. You push against him, right? Then put force on yourself with your hands, right? Why is he far away? Look, let me teach you a way. You are currently serving from here. Right. I want you to lean against this spot. Do you see it? Look, I'm leaning against it. Did you lean against it? Yes, it's this spot. Leaning against it. Now you are here. While leaning against it, push inward. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, leaning like this. Yes, right. You are here. No problem. Okay, sure. Like this. Don't step back. And don't lean back. Don't lean back. Don't lean back. You need to move forward. You can still topspin. Lean against it. And finally, step with your left foot correctly. I couldn't cut it smoothly and flick it out. Your butt is so high, right? You're leaning back comfortably, right? It's stuck. It's stuck. Look, it's coming down. When it comes down, your coordination is pretty good. Okay. Don't give it away. Alright, you don't have to worry. If you don't push forward, it seems like the ball just can't go out. Don't let yourself be distracted. Don't overthink it. Just put some force into your stomach. Put some force into your stomach. That's good. Put some force into your stomach. It's very simple for the short ball. I just put force on my chest. I want to show you my strength. Can you hear the sound? Wow. Relax. Do I have a motion like this? Ah, there's no spin. Try a short one. Hit the ball in front of your chest. You can hit the ball in front of your chest. Put force on your chest. You see, it's still going out. See, you are too careful. You are too careful. Yes, yes. Have you noticed that you're hitting a short ball? Your hitting point is correct. You're hitting in front of your chest, right? But you keep coming out. I've demonstrated so much for you. Didn't I just hold onto the ball, controlling the arc, while you are sending it out, so your footing keeps coming out? You have this feeling, right? And I have this feeling. You're like this. Sorry, I accidentally hit the ball off the table. Want to hit on the table. It's not easy to block. Block him. Come on. This is too important. Okay, okay. Block on your chest. Okay. Block it. Okay, don't give it away. Put effort into your chest. Chest bone, chest bone. When we were young, we trained the chest bone. All of it was green. The direction of force is correct. You used to hit forward. Now you know to hit towards your chest. You're just not as fierce as me. You're too gentle with yourself. Didn't hit the chest, but I hit it. But the direction of force is correct. Good.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.